Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Making the Walk. This is episode number 4, where he likes to splash. So I've taken a picture here and I've gridded it off again. I've sampled some colours there, the top right hand corner, some greys and different browns, and this one I'm going to use as my palette. This is first with your canvas. You need to gesso it. So if you don't gesso it, the paint just smudges. So you need gesso on it there to stop that. So you do a couple of layers of gesso, and it's a good thing to get the kids to do because it just needs to be put on with a large brush. So we're starting. I think I probably measured this out by now, where the main lines need to go. So I'm just starting to paint. You know, you're using your largest brush. You work your way down to your smaller brushes. So just getting the main colours out there. So some of the bank, working on the bank there, and the little channel. So in these nature pictures, you use a lot of greys, a lot of greens, a lot of browns. So just working on the shadow of the brown in the bank here. So you can see I started at I was doing the top there, and then I've moved to the bottom. So letting the top dry, and then moved on to another place. So I've got that grey there, using the grey sort of throughout the picture, different bits, letting other bits dry. So moving around the whole painting. We've moved on to a bit of a brown colour there, so just doing the reflection of the trees and the water. I'm using that same colour then, just different bits of the picture. You can see I've moved on to a smaller brush here. This is now, I think we're starting to put the dog in here, Buddy, as he's splashing. It was quite hard to get him splashing. I think I find this one quite difficult. Especially when he's quite close up, so it was quite a few attempts to get it to something I was happy with. I think I'm just letting the dog dry there. So the reason I've actually turned the picture on the side here, it's just, it's much easier to get a straight line. If you're going sort of from right to left rather than from up to down. You can see there's a lot of action in the background there. So we're back to putting it straight up. think there was something going on around in the background here, so there wasn't. I don't think we'll be getting back to painting now, so there's a bit of a break there. So yeah, sometimes it's quite hard to actually film these, or because the camera moves and things like that. So just doing more work on the dog here. So I'm sure you need to let sort of layers dry to sort of continue on. So I think this was quite difficult to get right in the end. Okay, where I thought it was okay. It's presentable. Probably looking at the actual picture and sort of trying to get right there. Just keep working on it. It'll end up to be okay, I think, in the end. So we'll probably do a few splashes here. This is the finished product. Yeah, the dog, it was a difficult one. But that's how it ended up anyway. This is how it looks in the book. So that's the double-sided sort of open. So yeah, okay, thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.